This MMM file is a multimedia animation. It could be a legacy Windows 3.1 movie or a 3D movie maker scene. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's try to play it. I'm going to show you how the pros do it. This involves a smart application of one Premier MMM file inspection tool that minimizes complexity across many different files. The MMM file extension is associated with multimedia movie files. These files typically contain video and audio data, often used for storing multimedia content. The specific codec and format of an MMM file can vary, but it generally supports playback on various media players and devices, providing a way to store and share multimedia content. MMM files can use various video and audio codecs for encoding the multimedia data. The file format may include metadata describing the video and audio properties, such as resolution, frame rate, and bitrate. The file structure typically consists of a header containing metadata, followed by the encoded video and audio data streams. Typically, MMM files open best using media players. The file's minimalist design confuses most native Windows file handlers. Windows works well for playback, but not for editing workflows that need multiple tracks or effects. We'll systematically check compatibility. Right-click your MMM file and choose Open With. Start with the most relevant-looking option in the list, especially anything mentioning media players. If it fails, try the next app until one opens it. When an MMM file fails to open, it is usually for a basic reason. This MMM format requires a precision approach. The error isn't random. Let's go through this quick checklist to ensure every necessary component is verified. First, use Director Player. Open the file in the Adobe Director Player, formerly Macromedia, to view the legacy multimedia animation or movie. Next, use a 3D movie app. If from a game, use the 3D Movie Maker software to load and play the specific character animations and scenes. Finally, open in VLC. Try opening the file in VLC Media Player to see if it can interpret the older video and audio compression used in the file. If your current apps can't interpret your MMM file, your computer is likely trying to use the wrong language to read a format it doesn't recognize. This professional-grade approach allows the software to analyze the file autonomously, which can offer a significantly higher chance of success for stubborn or non-standard formats. To save time, use FileMagick. It guarantees access to almost any MMM format. Find the link at filemagick.com. Thank you for being a valued viewer. We appreciate your support. Please take a second to hit the like button and join the subscribers.